I show dogs, and it is a very grueling occupation on knees because there's a lot of lifting and carrying, there's a lot of running, there's a lot of walking. My name is Laurie Norman, and I am 65 years old, and I live here in Bonita Springs. Stairs were something that would evoke fear into my heart when I came near them.
Okay.
And I was having horrendous knee pain for quite a while, and I couldn't walk without a very noticeable heavy limp, and the pain was in both knees. It bothered me both when I drove and when I walked. So at this point in time, having knee surgery was not an option. So it was a choice of this or living with pain for the foreseeable future. I decided that it was worth the investment if I could get, 5 more years without having to have knee surgery or something, and hopefully more. I had heard from people who had had this done that it was wonderful, and I had heard a lot of success stories. I made a lot of telephone calls and looked at how this was viewed, both with primary care physicians and with, I even called the Mayo Clinic. And as I sit here now, it's been 9 weeks since the procedure on both knees. I am thrilled to death with it. 9 weeks out, I am thrilled to death with it. And I've gone back to work and done some things that I would never have been able to do 9 weeks earlier. I could not be happier with how my new knees did on their first test drive. It was the first time really back out there in the ring, and I showed 2 dogs, and I can't tell you how pleased I am with how it was.